Bringing it home.
Hello, Hoppers. Welcome to the Target Hop Bringing It Home edition.
This time around, we're putting the Target Hop spin on the delicious Buffalo Wild Wing lemon pepper wings.
The meat of this recipe is fairly simple: chicken and spices. For the chicken, we always go free range. Free range chickens aren't fed grains to fatten them up.
But get what's in your budget. There are a few options when it comes to seasoning, but we're looking for simplicity today.
I don't think that they carry the usual favorite lemon pepper seasoning at the other store anymore, and it looks like Good & Gather has one. Maybe this can be the replacement.
And it looks like it's flying off the shelves, so get one quick.
For our favorite coleslaw recipe, we need both 2 cups of shredded red cabbage and 4 cups of shredded green cabbage. Dublin East seems to only have the green cabbage, but that's okay. I think we have a red one in the fridge.
Good call, babe. They usually give you carrots and celery with your order.
Yeah, this slaw is a much more delicious option. We'll also need a red onion and a white onion.
The rest of the ingredients include apple cider vinegar. Let's grab the organic one from Good & Gather.
Good choice. Next, white vinegar, which is also a cleaning staple in our home.
You can select whatever your favorite type of spicy brown mustard is. Don't see the organic one in stock, so let's grab this one for now. But I think we might have the good stuff at home.
Yep, I think we do. We'll need a sweetener. We don't do sugar, and Swerve is a great alternative.
And some of this avocado mayo from Primal Kitchen. If you haven't yet, give it a try. Highly recommend it. But you can use whatever kind you prefer.
Oh babe, we can't forget our special ingredient.
Ooh, you're right.
Yeah, and it looks like we got the last one.
Yes.
We'll be using this chosen avocado oil to add some crisp to the wings.
These wings should come out delicious. And we're already ahead of Buffalo Wild Wings on the budget.
And the slaw is to die for, tangy and rich.
We have all of our ingredients with the base ingredients from Dublin Target.
We like to be a little more healthy these days, and we enjoy air-fried wings. Cook the wings at 380 degrees for 20 minutes. Our air fryer has a chicken button. I don't always preheat, but today I am.
Now we can add the wings. Leave a little space between each one to allow airflow so the wings get done all the way around.
Then we add the avocado oil, lightly brush 1 coat on each wing, and then get these bok-boks cooking.
While these are cooking, we can start chopping up the veggies for the slaw.
We need the zest of a lemon for a flavorful garnish. We picked this one off of our Meyer tree out back. Save the juice for another recipe.
You want to cut the broccoli into nice thin strips. It can be a little tricky, but the payoff is an earthy flavor and a distinct crunch.
The onions need to be in long, thin slices. You only need about 1/4 cup of each. Once complete, you can place all the veggies in a bowl and set aside for later.
Grab a larger bowl and add a tablespoon of the chosen avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of the organic apple cider vinegar,
Add a teaspoon of the white vinegar, a tablespoon of the Swerve sweetener, and a tablespoon of the organic spicy brown mustard. Then add 3/4 of a cup of the avocado mayo.
We can salt and pepper this up and then hit it with the tiny whisk.
Once the texture is creamy, you can add the chopped veggies. Use a silicone spatula or tongs to mix all the ingredients until evenly coated.
Don't be afraid to adjust the seasoning as you go. All right, I'm gonna go check on the wings, babe.
Good. I'll take this time to sneak in a secret ingredient: cayenne pepper. This ought to spice things up. Then cover with saran wrap and pop it in the fridge for about an hour.
The wings should be almost ready by now. You can add them to a bowl and set to the side if you have to do multiple rounds in the air fryer like us.
Once all the wings are complete, shake on a generous portion of the Good & Gather lemon pepper seasoning and toss to ensure an even coating.
For plating, add the slaw as a base. It looks delicious. Then stack 3 to 4 wings on top.
We're going to be using parsley as the color garnish, also made by Good & Gather, and then top it off with some of that delicious lemon zest.
Pop open a couple of Good and Gather fizzy waters, and now we are in business. Brushing on that avocado oil was brilliant. Outstanding job, babe.
You too. Thanks for bringing it home. Tune in next month for an all-new date night recipe.